Hello my friends, in this video tutorial we will be making this. I made this template in the last video and the file you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, now I'm showing you here one example of my template that I made before, and as you can see it is animated. You just delete everything like this. And for this media out, I just have media out, one merge and a background to change the resolution for the media out. That's it. And now just start dragging the merge background. This is the background for the whole composition. This background will be custom resolution 1920 times 1920. And we will copy this and paste it here. You will make alpha reduced all the way to 0. Connect to the merge here like that, and then change the background to some blue color, something like this. Okay, copy the background, paste it here, and connect like this to the merge. Take one merge here, connect like this, and the background will be alpha reduced all the way to 0 because we want this merge to move the background element here that will we make. Copy this background, paste it here, connect like this, use the rectangle, connect like this, and this rectangle will be width will be 1 and height will be 0.5. Background will be resolution 20 pixels times 20 pixels. Alpha will be 1 and the color will be blue. And now we can start moving in this merge a little bit off, for example 0.6, and click on this merge here and control space and find a duplicate and click add. And now we will start adding copies. Copies will be 12 and angle will be 360 divided by 12, and we will get the circle. Just move this a little bit like this. Okay, now we have the circle. As you can see, it's very simple to make, and in this merge here we will make the animation. We will click here on the keyframe to make the keyframe, and on the 119 we will click one more time for the keyframe, but the rotation will be angle 30 like that. And now as you can see it's rotating by 30 degrees over 2 seconds. If you want faster, then you can just make 60 and it will move faster. I don't want so fast, so I will just leave that 30. Now if you want to change the shape to some angle, to make the angle a little bit like an arrow or something, 15 degrees, and I don't know, you can reduce even more this line to 0.25. if it will be much thinner, let's do something like this. This looks nice. And now in this merge that will have the animation, you will go on this show only selected tool click on this merge, click on these arrows here, and then select all keyframes, right click, and then set loop and click loop, and then this will make the loop all the time. So now if you go inside the timeline and stretch, it will loop all the time how long you want. And now if you want to make it bigger, just select everything and copy here and connect to this merge. And now all you have to do, go in this merge here, as you can see, click on this merge, adjust this y-axis to 0.7, and now you will get the second circle. Go on this duplicate, duplicate will be 24, and angle will be 15, and now you will get much larger circle with much more these dots, many more dots. So if you want less, if you want more, you just change the numbers, and this is it. For the rotation, if you want rotation, you do again in this angle, keyframe on the frame 0, keyframe on the frame 119, like this. Change the angle for 30, and if you want to go another direction, minus 30, and now it will spin in other direction. If you want to add again, you just copy everything, paste, connect to the merge like this, and then go in this merge here, change the Y to again, and you will get another circle. It's very simple. It's just copy paste, and this is basically it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if you have any questions, and I will see you in another video.